So students, this is cos square a, and I need here 2 twice cos square, and say here also cos a cos b, so here also I want 2, and here also I want 2. So I need 2 at all the in all the 3 terms. So what I will do, I will multiply and divide this expression with 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, as I told you that we'll simply use this formula. So here, this is your A. So what you get here? 1 plus cos 2a. So A is your 10 degree. So 1 plus cos 2a. So 10 into 2.
20 degree, cos
20
20
degree.
degree.
Very good. So now be careful. Here I have negative sign. Now 2 cos A cos B. So that will be equals to cos A plus B. So what will be A plus B? Cos 60 degree. Now then I have here cos A plus B. So this is cos A plus cos B. Is it plus or minus over here? 2 cos A cos B. It will be plus over here, right? Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B.
Cos 40 degree.
So cos 40 degree. Absolutely right. Now plus same formula. 1 plus cos 2A.
1 plus cos 100 degree.
Very good. 1 plus cos 100 degrees. Absolutely correct. So we have used the formula number. So using first formula and second formula, right? Now further, if I solve and if I open this bracket, what will I get? So this is, see, 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2
2
plus cos 20 degree minus.
minus cos 60 degree minus cos 40 degree plus cos 100 degree.
Yes. Now you need to see which pairs you are going to make. Okay. So
Cos 60 degree की value 1 by 2.
yes, cos 60 degree is
1 by
1
1
by
by 2.
1 by 2. So this will be 1 by 2. So 2 minus 1 by 2. What will you get? So this 1 by 2.
3 by 2.
Yes, so that's 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 plus cos 20 degree minus cos 40 degree plus cos 100.
Cos 100 degree.
So we can make pair of these two, because see, from here I will get 60 and 10, and from this cos 10 I can get cos 100, I can get 90 plus 10, so I get 10 degree, right? So I will get the degrees 10, 60, right? And from here also I will get 10, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's 3 by 2. Now what is cos A minus cos B? So that's equals to minus 2 sine. एक बार प्लस को दोनों को, what will you get? 60 degree by 2 into sine. अब एक बार दोनों डिफरेंस ले लो.
Sin 20 degree upon 2.
हाँ,
Minus 20 by 2.
minus 20 degree by 2. Okay. Plus cos 100 degree, and that will be equals to 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 minus 2 into what is sine 30?
1 by 2.
1 by 2 into minus sine 10 degree, right?
Plus cos 100.
So you know that means sine of minus theta is equals to minus sine theta. So this fifth formula that we are going to use here. Okay, but students, for cos theta is equals to cos theta. Okay, so we call these functions as odd function and this kind of function as even function, because in odd function you have f of x is equals to x cube. So when you are doing x cube, so if you put minus x here, so you'll get minus x cube. But in the even functions like x square, so even if you put x equals to minus x, still you will get the same answer, x square. So whether you put plus theta or minus theta, in cos 4 it is the same. Okay, so this is odd function. And in one more way you can understand, like see here, this is plus theta means first quadrant, minus theta fourth quadrant. So in the first quadrant all trigonometric values are positive, and in the fourth quadrant after school to college, so cos is positive. So here also in first quadrant also cos is positive, and in fourth quadrant also cos is positive. So that is why in fourth quadrant, this is your fourth quadrant, so in fourth quadrant cos is positive. But in fourth quadrant sine is negative. That is why sine is negative for the fourth quadrant, but cos is positive for the fourth quadrant. Is it okay, students?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now, so lot of concepts we are learning, right, from one single question. Now plus, now you can break this cos 100 also. So cos 90 degree plus 10 degree, right? So what do you get, students? This 2 will cancel out and this minus minus will become a plus. So 1 by 2, 3 by 2 plus sine 10 degree. Now what will be this? So 90 degree, so this cos will be changed whenever we have 90 degree. So this cos will change into sine 10 degree. And what is in this? Now this is in second quadrant, 100 is in second quadrant. So in second quadrant cos is, what is cos 100 will be in second quadrant, because sine is positive but other trigonometric
Cos is negative.
negative. So minus cos, sorry, minus sine will come here. So sine 10 degree but cos 100 is positive, so this negative sign comes from this quadrant of cos. So now you can clearly see plus 10 degree minus 10 degree will cancel out, and 1 by 2 into 3 by 2, so that comes out to be 3 by 4. So absolutely good, students, well done.